It may be hot out here today, but I have to do a walkthrough for y'all on this home. It's sheetrocked, and of course we all know that a sheetrock home can look super small, but even at this stage of construction, this home is wonderful. It is the Jefferson 3 floor plan built by Cody Capital. Huge doorways when you walk in, presentation directly to the back, to the great room and the fireplace, and ultimately back out to your porch. To the left is going to be a guest bedroom down and a full bath down. What I love about this floor plan is it has an owner suite down, a guest bedroom down, just a very open feel, and it's perfect for entertaining. This is my holiday house. I know that sounds funny, but what does that mean? That means it's going to be perfect for hosting parties, get-togethers, anything and everything with your kids, your family, your church, whatever it is my holiday house. It's so good for entertaining. So I'm looking back into the foyer. You come in, it's an elongated foyer with a tray ceiling. I'm looking through the arch. That's actually the laundry room all the way to the right that goes directly to the owner's suite, which is down. You're gonna have a mud bench right over here, a closet, and then we go directly into the formal dining room to the left. Coffered ceilings, huge space. One of the largest dining rooms that we actually have in this rigid section of Whispering Pines. Staircase off to the back. It's not right at your front door when you walk in. Great presentation, great ceiling height, huge kitchen. Okay, I know this is really hard for most people to look at, but this kitchen is wonderful. That's a corner pantry. So just imagine, you know, your upper cabinets, your lower base cabinets, countertops over here. You're gonna have a nice center island. It's gonna be phenomenal. You also have a spot here for a breakfast room. This goes directly back out to your back patio. What I love most about this backyard is the privacy, okay? So you have your fireplace that's gonna be off to the left-hand side. You have an extra pad already poured over here for grilling, and your view is gonna be fantastic. So again, you see your back corner right there. You see that pin? And then you will have your fence that I assume most folks will put up. And if you don't want to, then you can see what you see. But the yard's great. It's an awesome size. And then once you put your fence up, that 6-foot shadow box fence will go to about right here. And look at that tree line. That goes back into phase 2, by the way. Phenomenal home site. That's the owner bedroom right here. Those are the 3 windows that go to the owner bedroom. Going back into the great room. Looking to the stairs, all the doorways are arched, great presentations, high ceiling, and then you have the owner suite back over here. Nice vaulted ceilings, good sized bathroom. You have all the essentials, a fully tiled shower will be going in here, garden tub, 2 sinks, and then of course I'm gonna loop you back around to a closet on the left, closet on the right, and then we have direct access to your laundry room. And remember at the beginning of the video, I said it was through that hallway. So I'm looking back into that hallway, directly to the foyer. To the left's gonna be the garage. To the right is gonna be my mud bench. And let's go ahead and head upstairs. All right, so we're headed upstairs. We're actually already up here. I don't know why I said we're headed. We are going into guest bedroom number 1, directly to the left of the staircase. This has its own bathroom and a walk-in closet. Again, sheetrock stage is very hard to see. Usually it makes the home very small, but I need to show you this property because it is going to go so quick. Here's the private bathroom with a full shower inside guest bedroom 1 upstairs. Here is a closet. So this is the second closet inside this bedroom. There are 2. And this is just scuttle storage, but hey, if you're looking for some storage, you could easily store Christmas decorations or, you know, your kids' stuff from over the years that you want to save. Look at that space, it's phenomenal. Going back out of guest bedroom 1 into guest bedroom 2 up. Remember that there's an owner suite downstairs along with a bedroom downstairs. So this is a 5-bedroom home. Scuttle access right over here, scuttle access to the right. This is gonna be a closet. This will be a closet. 2 closets. Walking through the hallway, to the left is gonna be a linen closet, great for sheets or towels. To my right is gonna be the bathroom. for the other 2 guest bedrooms up, okay? Looking back in here as I scoot back, guest bedroom number 3. This is going to be on the front of the home. I'm looking back over here. This home is in the 350s and the ridges of Whispering Pines in phase 3. This is an awesome home site. Again, you have an owner suite down. You have 3 guest bedrooms up, another bedroom down. This specific bedroom right off the stairs is going to be the most luxurious, multiple closets, its own bathroom. Wonderful. You want a personal tour? Give me a call. 706-631-1983. This is Brittany Hopkins with Mayobama Real Estate, and I am looking forward to getting your call.